Hey everybody, this is your friend Ashrita and welcome back to Latte Learners. Always learn something new. Today's video is about virus versus bacteria. You know why I am telling this video? Because, currently there's a virus outbreak named the coronavirus, as you all know. And you need to know the difference between viruses and bacteria. But before I move on, please remember to do me a huge favor. Subscribe, like, and share Latte Learners. The people who did it, thank you a lot. The people who didn't, I know so, do so. And also, if you didn't, please remember to smash a like at Latte Learners Facebook page and follow Latte Learners at Instagram and Twitter. And now that I have told all of this to you, let's get into the topic. I'm going to be discussing about all the similarities and differences of viruses and bacteria. Let's talk about the similarities. The first similarity I'm going to tell you is that we cannot see both viruses and bacteria with our own naked eye. Both viruses and bacteria could affect us similarly. How? Here are the similarities in it. Well, the first thing I want to say is that if you are next to an infected person who is coughing or sneezing, that person's droplets from the cough or sneeze will affect infected surfaces such as tabletops and counters would also affect. It could also affect you by infected animals such as bugs, flies, etc. And the last thing is that transmission from mother to child during birth or while they're carrying it. Now that all the similarities are over, let's get into our differences. The first difference is that bacteria is a bit bigger than a virus, while a virus is much smaller than bacteria. But both of them we cannot see. Bacteria is a living organism, but a virus is not. Bacteria could reproduce itself if it's in a host or not. It could do it anywhere. But a virus, it could reproduce only in a host. This difference is about their structures, the different structures that they have. Like, suppose bacteria. Bacteria has its own cell wall and necessities for its survival. While viruses are kind of complicated. It has its DNA wrapped up in a protein shell with some fats. That's it. Another thing is, even though there are millions and trillions of, bacteria, only 1% of bacteria is harmful for your body. Any virus is not good for your body. The last thing I'm going to tell to you is that if you have a bacteria-infected disease, well, it could be cured by antibiotics. But viruses, on the other hand, cannot be cured by antibiotics. It could only be prevented by vaccines. This is why that scientists currently now are researching for not antibiotics, vaccines for coronavirus. Here are the examples of bacteria-infected diseases, such as strep throat and UTI. Some types of virus-infected diseases are SARS, HIV, coronavirus currently, Zika virus, and the Spanish flu. Let us end today's topic. I'm going to give a little hint of my next video next week. Well, this time, it's not going to be released by Thursday. It's going to be released by Friday. You know why? Try to guess what the occasion is. So, hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Stay tuned. This is Ashrita signing off. Bye, everybody!